Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to adjust margin and put 1-inch margin in Canva. So guys, before start guys, share this video and subscribe to my channel. First guys step is open Canva on your device, Google, and go to file, and after go to file, click on setting. After click setting, choose add guide and guides and select custom, and after select custom input this number and click input in this number, one gap 0 margin 1 inch. After that input click add guide, and this is how to put 1-inch margin and Canva, and I hope this video helpful for you, and subscribe to my channel. See you more.